that was Nick Ariano's 2275. We just had it on the dyno. This one's all ready to go. It's a local customer. It'll stay in California, and it's going to go in a 1962 VW bus. So like with all our motors, we've done the first normal break-in procedure, which is about 20 minutes. We go back in, we adjust the valves, we set the timing, synchronize the carburetors, the wind gauge, and just basically check it all over, re-torque things, get it all set. So this one's ready to go. And an update for some of our other customers, we're catching up, we're running a little behind, but we've got a lot of special projects coming up. Those that are following us, we appreciate that. Those that haven't followed us and would like to see some of our upcoming projects, visit us on Powerhaus VW, YouTube channel, Powerhaus VW. We have some EFI projects that have been floating around for a while, and we're getting back to those. This Procharger motor we've been talking about for a long time. There's only a couple of us here building motors, and with everything that's going on, we just haven't been able to get to that, and that's something very custom. We've only done one of those, and we're just about done. But we expect to get back to that this week, and that's coming out pretty soon. We've got a couple more turbo motors that are going to get done. We have an Autocraft 3-liter that's been waiting patiently. Yeah, so like I said, we have a lot of interesting and cool projects coming up real soon, including some of our own stuff that we're getting excited to do. We have our chassis car, the race car that we just took out the last couple weeks ago at drag day, which was pretty much, we've only have 7 passes on that car, and but we got a good starting point. The car ran pretty good last week. We were stoked on the way it performed, it ran. We had a lot of help from a lot of different friends. Mac Tool Moy, our old employee that moved on and did his own business. Proud of him. He helps us out all the time. Jerry, the guy that works here, my wife, Alden American, they helped us out with struts. Roger Crawford gave us a lot of advice, a lot of technical on that. So all the support. Chad Blackshire at Late Night Fab. Sorry about that. Late Night Fab. If you guys looking for a mobile welder, Late Night Fab, he's real good. He'll come to your place, weld stuff up, fab stuff up. So he helped us out a lot. My buddy Derek, he's helped us out a lot. So a lot of friends, a lot of people helping us out. We may be a small family-oriented business, but we have a lot of friends. Mark at HRP helps us out all the time with the Red Horse fittings, the fuel, technical advice. Some of these guys, valuable, very valuable. So got a lot of stuff going on. We've got the Turbo Street car, the black street car that we were running the last couple of years. We've got some new plans with that. Actually, this is going to be the new motor. The car's ours now. It was a customer's, and so this is the new motor that we're working on. It's kind of in a mock-up stage, and then eventually we have a 59 Street Bug that kind of looks like a race car. It's yellow, so sometimes people get confused on that, and that's the motor for it over there. I think our goals with this is we're going to turn that motor, which is a scat block, and it's a 29, I think we'll call it a 3-liter, rounded off to a 3-liter, and that one we're going to do a Procharged, I believe, on that one, and put it in our street car. And this one is going to be the turbo with blow-through turbo, and we'll do the dual plenum. We're going to try to do the dual plenum thing, or excuse me, dual plenum. We're going to do the single plenum with the dual runners to each side, like we did on the Procharger, that we're finishing up on the Procharger motor. So this is going to go back into the black car. That'll probably go back or go into our street car. And the race car, we're just going to leave that aspirated for now. There's no real class that we're running in that. We're just going to get some testing. I got to get used to the car a little bit more, and then maybe we'll go nitrous on it and run the Outlaw Turbo guys with Outlaw Turbo guys, or maybe we'll do something with turbo. But it is fuel injection, so it's a little different class. But for the most part, we're just having fun with it, and we'll go from there. So, Nick, thank you for choosing us on your motor. It's all ready to go. We appreciate that, and we appreciate everybody else for following. Thank you.